Finding the best Crock-Pot slow cooker can make your meal prep so much easier, especially when life gets busy and you want home-cooked meals without the stress. From tender roasts to flavorful stews, the right slow cooker transforms simple ingredients into delicious dishes every time. I've tested several models in real kitchens, paying attention to ease of use, size, and durability, things that matter most for busy households here in the US. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 10-quart Stay or Go Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker, extra large 10-quart Stay or Go, is ideal for big family gatherings or potlucks. Its extra large 10-quart capacity easily fits a 12-pound roast or even a 10-pound turkey, making meal prep stress-free for large groups. I love the lid lock system, which keeps everything secure while transporting hot meals, so spills are no longer a worry. The simple dial controls let you cook on low, high, or switch to warm when finished, making it easy to achieve perfectly cooked dishes without monitoring. Full grip handles make lifting and carrying it effortless, even when it's full. The removable stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher-safe, which saves time on cleanup after a busy event. While it's a bit heavy due to its size, the convenience and reliability make it worth it. This slow cooker is a top pick for anyone needing the best crock-pot with locking lid. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 4-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 4-quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a smart little kitchen companion for families and small gatherings. Its flexible, easy programming lets you mix and match 5 cooking times with warm, low, or high heat, giving total control over your meals. I especially love the automatic keep warm feature, which switches on after cooking so food stays ready without constant checking. The 4-quart stoneware crock fits a 4-pound chicken or a 2-pound roast, making it perfect for potlucks or weeknight dinners. Full grip handles make carrying from kitchen to table easy, and the removable crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, which saves time on cleanup. The sleek silver design looks modern on the counter, though the smaller size may not suit larger households. Overall, it's reliable, versatile, and perfect for anyone wanting a hassle-free, programmable slow cooker that delivers consistent results every time. Number 3. Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry Programmable. The Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker makes cooking for a crowd effortless. Its programmable digital timer lets you set cooking from 30 minutes up to 20 hours, which is perfect for busy days when you want to prep meals in advance. I really appreciate the secure locking lid, which keeps everything sealed during transport, ideal for potlucks or family gatherings. The 6-quart size comfortably serves 7 or more people, making it a go-to for large households. The stainless steel design looks sleek on the counter and is easy to wipe clean. Removable stoneware is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is simple. It's also safe for the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving extra flexibility for finishing dishes. The only downside is that it's a bit heavy when full, but the handles make carrying manageable. Overall, it's a reliable, best crock-pot with timer for stress-free meals. Number 2. Elite Gourmet 2-quart Oval Slow Cooker. The Elite Gourmet 2-quart Oval Slow Cooker is a perfect little helper for small meals or side dishes. Its adjustable temperature settings give you full control over cooking, whether you want a slow simmer or just to keep food warm. I really like the cool touch handles, which make it safe to carry from counter to table, even when it's full of hot stew. The removable stoneware and tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is fast and easy after busy evenings. Its compact size fits neatly in any kitchen, and the metallic red finish adds a fun, stylish touch to your countertop. It's great for single servings or small families, though larger meals will require multiple batches. While it doesn't have a large capacity, the cooking results are consistently tender and flavorful. For anyone looking for a reliable, personal-sized slow cooker, this model is an excellent choice. Number 1. Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker is perfect for big family meals or entertaining friends. The 7-quart capacity easily fits a 7-pound roast or serves 9 people without crowding. I love how the removable stoneware insert can go straight into the oven or microwave, which makes prep and cleanup so much easier. Using it is simple. High, low, or warm settings let you control the cooking without constant checking. I often leave it on while running errands, and everything comes out tender and flavorful. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup almost effortless, which is a huge plus for busy households. The stainless steel design with black accents looks modern on the counter, not bulky. One thing to note is that the cooker takes a bit of time to heat up fully, but that's typical for slow cookers of this size. Overall, it's a reliable, versatile, and practical choice for anyone wanting the best Crock-Pot slow cooker. Final verdict. After testing and using all these slow cookers, I personally recommend the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker as the best overall product. Its generous capacity, versatile cooking options, and easy cleanup make it perfect for families, entertaining, or everyday meals. It consistently delivers tender, flavorful dishes without any fuss, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a high-quality slow cooker. For those with a smaller budget or needing a compact option, I recommend the Elite Gourmet 2-quart oval slow cooker. It's perfect for singles, couples, or small side dishes, offering adjustable temperature control and effortless cleanup in a sleek, space-saving design. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the slow cooker that fits your style and cooking needs best.